The Unity Hubb is a rooted project in the community, and the ethos of our work is based around an approach called asset-based community development, and we help discover the gifts, skills, talents of local people and bring them together so that they can then share those skills with others and bring those to life. What we do provide is a safe space for people to come, to meet neighbours, to get connected with people that they don't know, to learn about each other and to be able to explore the gifts and the skills and the talents that they have. Currently, we're doing a men's project. We know that there's lots of local men who feel isolated in the neighbourhood, who don't really have anywhere to go. And the current Wards for All grant is helping us to facilitate a space where men come together on a social context. They have breakfast, they do some activities, share their gifts, skills and talents, and basically put the world to right. It's very, very new, but we know that it's a starting point, and that's what the grant has been able to support us with.
In terms of thinking about the difference that funders can make in the way in which they apply the resources that they have in communities, it's really important that money isn't spent, and then once it's spent and the activity stops, the effect of spending the money isn't then present in community. So back to that sense of, if you equip individuals, they will be individually changed by that experience. If you focus on community building and that social connectedness, then whole communities get changed. And actually there becomes a story that grows in a neighbourhood that is built on, we can do things together. Because you've focused on building community, you've built that into the fabric of the neighbourhood. So people can then take that with them, and they can have a confidence that difference isn't a problem, that we can come together, we can notice the things that we do well together, and let's build on those.
It starts with community.